Hi, this is Miss Goodale, and today I'm going to be talking about histograms. Um, Histograms are pretty much just a type of bar graph. It shows the frequency of the data in intervals, so there's no gaps or in between the bars. So really the difference between the bar graphs that you guys are used to using, that you've done since you were maybe first grade, is just that there's no gaps in them, okay? So they are right up against each other. Okay, so this video is going to be pretty quick because I think that most of the stuff you guys should catch on to pretty easily. But let's go ahead and get started. I have gone ahead and written out a chart with the amount of money and the frequency. So remember in our last video we talked about the frequency tables. So now we're taking those frequency tables, and instead of making them into dot plots, we're going to make them into histograms. So the first thing that we need to make sure we have on a table is a title, and I've already put the title. And then the second thing we need to do is make sure we have our labels. So when we do our labels, I've already labeled the left side with the numbers, but those numbers, the frequency, is actually goes with the family. So each family spent this many dollars at the beach. So this would be number of families. So this would be the number of families that spent a certain amount at the beach. Then I look here and I have my ranges. So instead of just being 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, I have a range of who spent $0 to $9. I have a range of 10 to 19, 20 to 29. And you'll notice that it doesn't go to 10 to 20 because my next interval starts with 20. Okay, so there's no overlap between 9 and 10. The next one starts on the next number. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label the bottom. So 0 to 9 is my first label. 10 to 19 is my second label. 20 to 29 is my next label. 30 to 39 is my next. And then 40, 49, and it looks like nobody spent over $59. So 50 to 59 is my top interval there. And again, I need a label. Well, this is the dollars spent per family. So this is the amount in dollars spent. Okay, so this side is the amount spent in dollars. This side is the number of families that spent that much. Now I just have to go up here to my frequency table. There were 7 that spent $0 to $9. So that bar is going to go clear up to 7. And I'm going to shade that like this instead of coloring it in. Let's see, my next one is 10 to 19, that is 9. So there were 9 that spent $10 to $19. So I'm going to go up to 9. And since I don't have different colors here, I'm going to do different kinds of lines. Maybe this one will be going this way. My next interval is 20 to 29. And there were 8 that spent $20 to $29. So I'm going to go up to 8 here. And let's go this way. And then the next one is $30 to $39. So let's see, there are 5 that spent $30 to $39. So I go up to 5. And my line goes there. And how about this one? I'm just gonna fully shade it up and down. $40 to $49 I'm looking for next. There were 0. So I don't need to put anything for that one. And then the last one, 50 to 59, there was only 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put my bar graph there. And let's just do some checkerboard there to shade that one in. Okay. So I know I have kind of funky shading there, just to kind of show the difference between the different bars, but the histogram, now if you had anything for this, the bar would be in between, but there were 0 for that, so there is a actual gap in the data. But a histogram is going to have the bars being right up against each other, and your intervals are going to go just right from where the other one left off. That would be all that I have to share for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I think that you guys will pick this up pretty easily because it pretty much picks up on bar graphs that you've been working with for a long time. But let me know if you have any questions and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.